I'm not even gonna try to be normal about this. I'm gonna really let myself be excited. I have a package from Haus Labs. From Haus Labs. Dude. Before anything, hi, hello. If you're new here, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, writer, streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing that means a whole hell of a lot to me. So if you're interested in any of those things, or if you're interested or curious about any of my other work, whatever, check the description. I would love to have you here, so please consider subscribing. If you like tutorials and like long form makeup and things like that, more like yappy content, please join me here. I would love to have you. If you want to go ahead and give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, it would mean a lot too. It's a huge help to the algorithm. I'm not going to be able to talk during this whole video. Like I'm so excited. I'm so like beside myself. But if you want to go ahead and give this video a like and comment something like yay Haus Labs or anything, literally anything, thank you so much. Anywho, I don't even know where to begin because I think like a lot of us who feel this emotional about Haus Labs have a history with Lady Gaga being a huge part of our lives. I'm definitely one of those people. And I've been a huge fan of Haus Labs since before the rebrand. When it first started, I still have a couple of items that are literally in like my own personal like makeup museum. The lips, I have a little like bronzer highlight duo. Again, from when Haus Labs wasn't even like in Sephora or any, like it was only on Amazon, if you remember that time too. I was there at the start and I was so excited because truthfully because I love Lady Gaga so much, and I think Lady Gaga is one of the most inspiring people in our time, period. And to be so excited about some of my favorite things combining, like the artistry of makeup, the looks of that, and just like at the core of everything, just artistry driven and products that I'm excited about, but also with a sense of like, this feels like it's for me. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna try to keep this brief, but I cannot promise anything. So just buckle up with me, okay? I remember literally years ago on TikTok making content about the Haus Labs stuff. And I think I even probably still have some videos. I've been making content with Haus Labs stuff and treasuring Haus Labs items for a very, very long time. I think the rebrand is one of the best things that the friggin' brand has ever done. Like the rebrand, you don't see that done so well. And I really feel like they nailed it. Like they went above and beyond. It's so, God, it's so good. Some of these products, I'm actually wearing a lot of Haus Labs right now. But anywho, you've seen me talk about them, you know, but at the core of my being as an artist, like this feels really cool. This wasn't just a random outreach thing. Also too, I got a personal DM from Haus Labs. So I want to go ahead and say thank you to my friend at Haus Labs. I can't even begin to thank you so much. Thank you so much for reaching out to me for this. Now let's open it. Woo! Hi, Courtney. We hope you love some of our house faves. XO, Megan, Haus Labs. Megan, I adore you. Thank you so much. You are literally so sweet. Wow. I don't want to rip the paper. I don't want to rip the sticker. Stop. It's every single one of the glassy balms. It's every single one of the Bio Radiant Glassy Highlight Balms. I'm going to vomit. No. A restock of some complexion items, which literally, thank you so much, I'm screaming. Glassy Hibiscus. I have wanted to use this shade. The freaking liner. Oh, dude, and then this. I've wanted to try this Cocoa Lip for so long. Okay, hold on. Let me compose myself. I can't. Dude. No way. This is expensive. I have been treasuring my foundation because I literally did not want to. I'm wearing the concealer right now, but I believe, yeah, this is my perfect match. Zero Fair 0 for Fair Neutral is my perfect match. I'm wearing it right now. I'm also wearing a shade that's a little too light. You've heard me talk about this foundation, I think since it launched, and I think I'm not even halfway through the bottle because it's expensive. Literally, that's the only reason. I have been treasuring this. I use this when I go to events. I use this when I go to like things where I need my makeup to look perfect, flawless for a very long time, and I want it to look skin-like, but still like have the good coverage and all that. Okay, I'm gonna start using, listen, I know I need to start using my good makeup just because, like, on days for whatever reason, because I keep saying that. Glassy Hibiscus, dude. Glassy Hibiscus. I'm so excited to try this. This is the, these are like the cream blushes. I recently got a glassy, what is this? Glassy Lilac. I got in one of the orders that I placed. I bought some things from Haus Labs not too long ago, but this was a free item in that. I love it. Spoiler, it's sitting here in my vanity, so obviously I do. That's kind of like my gauge. If I keep it on the vanity, hot. This freaking liner though? Oh, stop it. Stop it right now. Cocoa? I need to know what this looks like in person. I think I swatched this a few times actually in store. Oh. Look at that, dude. Oh, I want to drink that. I want to eat that. I need to put that on my lips right now. Every single one of these, every single one. You put every single one in here. No. I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what to do with this information, with this gift. This is so nice. Now, obviously, I know that this is like a gifted PR situation. Brands don't randomly give people things just because. This is my job. This is what I do. But I also just need to take a moment, because I think the point is that it's not random, that I want to actually focus on. I'm not like, wow, what a shock, what a surprise. It's like, this is intentional. I spoke to someone in my DMs because they see how much I love the brand, because they've talked about my artistry, which I think I'm just going to take a minute to like, this is really cool. This is really cool to get something from literally one of my favorite brands. There's a lot of brands out there, but this is top tier, one of my favorites. But just to know that this was individual, purposeful, and if you would have told me like just a couple years ago, I'm not even talking about when I first started talking about them. No, actually, if you would have told little me listening to Lady Gaga, because it's not just about makeup, you know what I mean? If you would have told little me who was listening to the fame that someday I'd be sitting here and my two worlds of that, like nature, would be combining, Lady Gaga, makeup, and me sitting here getting a package meant for me, specifically made and tailored for me. That's crazy. I think I need to put these all over my face. Like, I think I need to compose myself and put these all over my face immediately, because I've never been excited about a glowy product like I've been excited about these balms. There's something happening in my being that, like, to crave a radiant glowy product, that's crazy. That's actually wild. But ever since like the teasers of them came out, I cannot stop thinking about them. I've been dreaming about them. To have them all, they're multi-purpose, so having them all and like being able to wear them on my eyes and stuff, like I'm literally so truly excited. I did actually end up buying some of them, and I kept them closed when I knew that this package was going to be coming, so I think I'm going to gift them to a friend just so that more people can like experience this. I'm just like literally so thrilled about them. I feel like my voice is like getting weak. Like I feel like I'm getting like choked up. I don't know if Lady Gaga will ever see this, but Lady Gaga, if you do, hi. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the inspiration. Thank you for your art. Thank you for your continued resilience. And thank you for having this brand. This is really cool. I love your products. I love your music, but that's not what this is about. Haus Labs is really, really cool. The Haus Labs team specifically, thank you so much. This really means a lot to me. Like I know that I'm being maybe a little dramatic right now, but I don't care. I am a little dramatic. Thank you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I was always kind of hoping that this day would come, that I would like maybe get a package from Haus Labs, and like really is kind of a dream come true. So thank you. Megan specifically, thank you so much. You are an absolute angel. You are so sweet. You are so kind. You have always shown me just such respect and kindness, and just really, I want you to know that it means a lot and just has meant a lot to me. Okay, all that sappiness to say, I think I need to try this lip immediately. Oh, like I said, I am actually wearing a lot of Haus Labs today, which I typically am. Like Haus Labs is usually in some of my routine at any given point, but I'm wearing the foundation, the concealer, I'm wearing Fire Moon, and I feel like there was something else. It might be just those today. In case you were wondering what's on my cheeks, it is Fire Moon. It's very cute. Okay, but this is the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze. I know I just showed it to you and I immediately put it back in the thing, but this is the shade Cacao. Oh, I always wanted to try this shade because it looks like a really lovely, oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, it looks like a lovely, like neutral kind of brown. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Oh, I love that. Want to eat it. I'm just gonna put it on straight up. Is it unscented? I don't think it smells like anything. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. House Tech powered with peptide complex prickly pear oil. God, that feels nice. It's not sticky at all. Look at that shine. Mm-hmm. Let me add some black liner. I should have added this first. Oops. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. I would wear this with lip liner down first. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. Ah, that feels plush. That feels lush on the lips. Lush on the lips. This is the kind of lip product that makes your lips look like kind of hot and glossy. I really like that. I'm curious to use that like repeatedly. Ooh, that's really glossy. That's very like glass-like. Ooh. Okay, I think I need to do a whole separate thing on the Bio Radiant Glassy highlights. I think I need like, they need their own moment and I need to take a breath. I need to take a breather. I need to take a cool down lap to kind of think about this. I'm literally so excited about these two. If there's a specific shade that you want to see, like with any of these, I legit, Glassy Opal, Glassy Pink Opal, Glassy Citrine, Glassy Champagne Quartz, Glassy Topaz, and Pure Glass. Like, you're kidding me, dude. All of this makes, I could fall to my knees and start crying right now. And I just might. Very intrigued to use them as like eye gloss as well. I've been seeing people actually really enjoy using them. Like, not only just like using them for like a quick video, but like wearing them like that. And I'm like, ooh. Anyway, I don't know, man. I think I need to go process this. This is really cool. House Labs, thank you so much again. Lady Gaga, thank you so much again. I don't know if you'll see this, but if you do, hey, hey, ooh. Freaking package from House Labs, dude. A package from House Labs. What is my life? What is my life? My life rules. Incredible. God, my lips look pretty. Okay. I think that's all I really have for this. I'm already wearing makeup, so it's not like I could try things on. This was just sheerly an unboxing and like I need to take a moment to kind of, honestly, to kind of celebrate it too. So I hope that you didn't mind. And if you do mind, I don't know, you probably shouldn't be watching this anyway. I'm absolutely floored. I'm absolutely floored. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Give this video a thumbs up and comment something below. Comment below your favorite House Labs product if you don't wear makeup. Maybe your favorite Lady Gaga song or album currently. Doesn't have to be of all time. I know that's a hard choice. As always, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay. Oh my God.